So my name is Gretchen Brewer. I was treated here at the Engel Institute. So when I was 15, I had a beautiful smile. And then I got on a bad path and I started doing heavy drugs, and it just completely ruined my mouth. All of my bottom teeth were rotted, and then the top ones in the back were completely rotted. Went to rehab and got clean, and then I reached out to Engel's to see if they could help me. Dr. Engel, he really helped me. He worked with me. He was just so caring and gave me hope that it's going to be okay. We're going to get your mouth fixed. It's going to be beautiful. And so they took all of my bottom teeth out, and then they put all crowns on the top. I know, they look so beautiful. And then on the bottom, they did a permanent implant.
I got big dreams that all about to come true. Chilling at the top with a nice view.
They brought my smile back to life.
It's a good life right now. Said I got big dreams that all about to come true. Chilling at the top with a nice view.